Here's a quick overview on this 2022 Chevrolet Traverse Premier. This one is an all-wheel drive in the Iridescent Pearl Tricoat. Very good looking vehicle. This one is equipped with a jet black and maple sugar interior. Of course, your power liftgate is standard on the Premier models. The heated steering wheel on this one does include a retrofit. Didn't have the microchip at this time. This vehicle is equipped with the navigation system. And you can swipe right and you'll see it does also have the surround vision camera. Shows you different views. Really nice feature. Another feature this will have later is the heated and ventilated front seats. There were no microchips at this time. You do have a wireless charger. And this does have the all-wheel drive. The cool thing about the Traverse, you can turn the all-wheel drive on and off. Have a two-wheel drive, an all-wheel drive, and then the next one's an off-road mode, and then the next one is your trailer mode. Another great feature on this is the rear view camera. This is where you can adjust different features on this. When it's in the camera mode, it's just like an auto-dimming mirror. Going to the back, you can see a little bit better interior view. This is your easy access seat. It is on the passenger side. Real spacious back here in the third row. Everybody's got connections. You got a plug in there and your charging ports for USB, as well as your rear air. Here's how you get in the lift gate without using a remote. Just got to have it on you. Do a kicking motion and that will open the lift gate up. Once inside, you'll see this one does have the cargo liners as well as the floor liners. Not much to get in the seats down. There's a nice storage area under here. Your spares actually under this feature here. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.